Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook elk burgers. First, gather 1½ pounds of ground elk meat. In a bowl, combine the elk with 1 egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and your preferred seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Gently mix everything together, then form 4 to 6 patties, ensuring each is about 3/4 of an inch thick for even cooking. Handle the meat minimally to keep the burgers tender. You have 2 excellent cooking options: grilling or pan frying. If grilling, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For pan frying, warm 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a sturdy skillet over medium heat. Place your patties on the hot surface and cook them for approximately 4 to 6 minutes per side. This timing typically yields a delicious medium-rare burger. Achieving the perfect doneness is key, and a meat thermometer is your best friend here. For a juicy medium-rare elk burger, look for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer medium, aim for 140 degrees. For those who like their burgers well done, cook until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Always insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the patty. Once cooked, it's crucial to let your elk burgers rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more flavorful and tender bite. Serve these magnificent burgers on toasted buns, piled high with your favorite toppings. Think beyond the basics: caramelized onions, sautéed mushrooms, or a homemade tangy aioli can elevate your elk burger experience to a truly gourmet level. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.